So what is HTML and how we can create our own HTML web page? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. We can also say it builds the structure of a web page, similar to what a structure of a building is, similar to that. And something to note is HTML, an HTML web page will always have an extension .html, and most of the web page have their first page as index.html. An HTML document consists of tags and elements like this is a doc type HTML element, and we have an HTML opening tag. This is called an opening tag, and this is called a closing tag. A closing tag has an opening angle bracket, a forward slash, and the name of the tag, and a closing angle bracket. Some tags are self-closing. For example, this BR tag, which stands for a new line. So how we can create our own web page similar to this? In order to do that, we will first close this, don't save, and actually we will close and delete this, move to trash. So we will start our Visual Studio Code and go on File, click on New File, and then type in the name of our first HTML document, and here I will say index.html. Please don't forget to use .html, so this way browser knows what type of document it is. And we will hit enter. Now here it will ask us to where we want to place our file, so we will simply go to desktop, and then I will select this, my web page. Just for demonstration purposes, I will click create file. So we have an empty HTML page. So first things first, we will need the doc type HTML tag. To do so, so this is our doc type HTML tag. So what it does is it tells our browser what type of document to expect. So here the type is HTML. Now we need a container where all our elements for the page will go, and that is HTML tag. And also we will need a closing HTML tag. Now we have a container. Now inside this container we will need a head tag. So what is a head tag? Head tag is simply something that contains information that does not actually displays on the web page, but also contains information that is uh, crucial. For example, the styles, scripts, and other metadata. It also consists of the title of our web page. To 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 create a head tag, we will need an opening angle bracket, head. We will type in head, and then it automatically creates a head tag for us. So we have an opening and a closing head tag, and inside this also we can do preview. Here show preview. Right now our web page shows empty, so we don't see anything, but as you can see, I can create a title title tag, title element, title, and then it also needs to be closed, right? So inside this I can just type in my web page, and as you can see, the title gets changed from index.html to my web page. So that is that, and now we need a container for what goes onto the web page. So that container is body tag, body element. So we need a body opening tag and then a closing tag. So inside this we can have whatever we basically want. Now we can build the structure of our web page. For example, what do we need first? A heading, right? H1 is also a tag, and now we can say this is my title. Sorry, title, right? Okay, title, right? This is my title, and another tag we can have is like an explanation, right? So we can say a paragraph. We need a paragraph, right? Um, this is my first this is my first paragraph, right? I can show you a self-closing tag that is BR, which also stands for new line, right? How we can enter a new line. So to summarize, we went over creating our own HTML document, and and we went over that our HTML document has to have a name, index, and then the type of document should be, and the extension should be .html. Our first element is doctype HTML. This tells the browser what type of information to expect, right? And then we need a container, HTML tag, right? HTML element. So inside the HTML element we will have our head tag, which will contain the title and other metadata information, right? And then we will have the body tag. The body tag will have information that will actually display on our web page. And I think that is about it. Thanks for watching.